Well, I guess the Mike. The fuck? Well, that's fucking annoying. I recorded a whole video earlier with no fucking music. I mean, no audio. Fuck my life. There goes the NASDAQ. Squeeze it up here. Fuck. Gotta love it. All right, the NASDAQ here with the double bottom on the 15-minute chart. I am no longer sick. Can't keep me down. I'm back, baby. I'm back. Mike. It should be good to go now. Mic check.
Why is everything so fucking fucked up right now? Bright and fuck. Oh, my camera is so bright. The power went out last night, so I guess all my computer fucking reset. All right, the NASDAQ right now breaking out here on the 15-minute chart. We had this downtrend. I played this morning. I got a nice little trade here this morning from the bottom, double bottom on the 15-minute chart there at the 26s. Took profit up there at the 67s. It pushed up there to the 79 so far. So another read on. It was funny because, you know, we had those 830 numbers, and if you look here at this setup, that 15-minute chart, I was like, look, we got that low from last night. We basically ran that little trap below it, and we pushed back up. And I'm like, I had a feeling. I just had a feeling that we were going to run that, push that up there. It doesn't always work out that way, but that's 2 for 2 this week. Did that on the CPI report and then did it on the report this morning. So, yeah. We're getting it done. We got Tanya Trades in the chat today. Watch out. Watch out. Tanya Trades in the chat. All right. On the daily today, let's look at some levels, figure out where we're looking at today. Yesterday, pretty big reversal candle there on the daily chart. Today, we had numbers come out. We got this trend line here on the daily chart. This idea of maybe possibly pulling back into that trend line there. I don't know. It's a pretty reversal-y candle yesterday. Pretty reversal-y candle. So I think if we're going to look at this for levels today, I kind of like this idea of pulling. I think we talked about this yesterday. This idea of pulling back into the middle of this daily candle there, 722 area, which is previous high from September, if you go across there on the daily chart. So if we do sell down today, be looking for that 722 level, I think would be what you're looking for on the bigger picture here, right? And then if we look yesterday, the low of day was 832. Right now we're here at 871. We've already broke through the low of day yesterday. Look at the opening closing range there on that daily candle yesterday. So not super easy here in terms of levels today, but I do feel like with this 722 level down there would be a nice target for a short. So hourly chart here, you can see that 722 level, which is also that hourly fair value gap, the daily fair value gap there, 700s or so. Previous day low that we bounced off of, and then we got the previous day high. Oh, after those numbers up there at the 16,049 level up there. So right now the overnight kind of range here, this 880 area. We had this pretty solid kind of downtrend yesterday inside that channel there on the hourly chart and pulled back. And right now this double bottom. So if we can't hold here at this double bottom level, I would expect we move down into this 700 level with that daily chart set up there and everything. So right now you got your range here from the overnight. I guess we did take out that low from the overnight and popped right back up there. So we'll see how that plays out. Pretty nice little bounce off that low down there. So what's today? Thursday? Tomorrow's Friday, obviously. We gotta get a nice trending day here. We've been basically consolidating since that move on what was that, Tuesday? $15-minute chart, 825 to that channel down there. So if we push up through here, we've got something to think about, like up at the 920 to 930 level up there, right? Like kind of into this area on the 15-minute chart. And then you got this 979 area up there to think about. Tons of trades. We haven't had a trend day yet this week. I agree with you. I concur. I'd be interested to know the stats on how many weeks how many weeks out of the year do we not get at least one trend day? Questions that need to be answered. Ow! Have always been blue. So right now the NASDAQ pushes up here above the 70s. Get a little bull flaggy action here. After this level, you've got that push up there. There's a pivot point as well. It's always funny. Like I always think it's, maybe it's not, maybe you guys don't think it's funny, but I think it's funny because there's a pivot point at 924, right? 923.75. And if you look here, pretty much like right up into this level where this resistance is where that pivot point is. Coincidence? I think not. Right now, the NASDAQ grinding higher here. And like I said, I took a trade this morning off of the 26s, took profit up there at the 66s. Obviously, it's going to keep going higher after I take profit. I mean, come on. If you're going to, you know, like I do it for you guys. I take profit early so that the market keeps going higher.
So far this year, there's been 6 weeks with 0 trend days out of 46 weeks. So a very small percentage, but to this week could be that week. You would think with all the numbers and all the stuff going on this week, we'd have some more trending days, but we're going to find out here. Definitely feel it better today. I basically just after the live stream, I went to took a trader. That trader evolved. He's a fucking moron because he's like, oh, I took the biggest payout ever, but he hasn't actually taken a payout. He's only up to 3 days of profitable trades, of 3 winning days in that XFA. So he has to trade for 2 more days, which, you know, it's not fucking really that hard, but like he's claiming that he took the biggest payout, but he hasn't actually taken the payout yet. So he needs to relax a little bit. Relax, little buddy. Just relax a little bit. Calm down. I mean, he had one $30,000 day. I'm not gonna fucking, bow down to someone who had one $30,000 day. He's traded for 4 days in that account, and he's, like, just relax a little bit. Relax. Right now, the NASDAQ pushing up here to the 880s. I mean, it's not about me being chill or not. I just think it's fucking kind of stupid that you're like making claims that you're going to take the biggest payout, but you can't actually, and you can only take 50% payout. So I don't know if he actually knows that. Like all the payouts that I've taken, like I obviously could have taken, double that size payout if I could take more than 50%. So, relax, let's relax a little bit, people. Relax, people. All right, we are looking here at the NASDAQ at this 80 level. Above this, you've got a pivot point up there, the 920s. You got this 936 level. He wants to cash out after 30 days. Yeah, he'll never get 30 profitable days. Are you kidding me? Come on. Are you guys silly? Why are you guys so silly? Don't be so silly now. 30 profit, come on. 30 profitable days. Come on now. Don't be silly. Don't be silly, people. All right, NASDAQ's sitting here at the 880s now, trying to push up there. It's 9 o'clock. We are live. We're doing it. If you guys haven't hit that like button, do me a big favor and hit that like button. So, I mean, it's also, here's the thing too, like I think it's very easy. I wouldn't say very easy, but I think it's easy to hit, $200 a day for 30 days. Like maybe not like consecutive, but like I think you could definitely, small profits consistently, but like hitting $30,000 winners like consistently, it's not going to happen. You're going to hit max loss a lot more than you think. Cuz you got to trade with 15 contracts, and like if you've never traded with 15 contracts before, I don't even like want to hear you talk about how easy it is, because you have no idea what you're talking about. Literally trading 15 contracts on the NASDAQ, a 10 point move against you, and you're stopped out for the day. So it's not as easy as it seems. If you trade micros, can you get a Lambo? I don't know. Call Lambo Raul. He'll probably sell you a Lambo for real cheap. All right. This 880 area giving us some trouble right now on the NASDAQ. Nice little double bottom here on the 15-minute chart earlier we were looking at. Took a trade there from the 826s up here to the 66s. We broke out. We had this trend line that I was watching. And now we've got this fair value gap on the 15-minute chart, possibly pulling back into there. Like I said earlier, if you look at the bigger picture here on the hourly chart, kind of what we're looking at right now on the hourly chart, I think if we can't hold this level here, 820s or so, it really leads us down here into the 700s for a move down today, if we're going that way. So DK, bro, I swear to God, you've asked this fucking question so many times, bro. You're killing me with these questions about the fucking pivot points. I'm losing my mind when people ask me the same fucking questions about the pivot points. God, I can't. My brain hurts. I use the indicator. I use the indicator. Pivot fucking points. I want everyone, don't ever ask me this question ever again. Pivot point standard. It's right there. That is the indicator that I use. The yellow lines that I'm drawing are fucking resistance, support. All right? God. People are like, what are those yellow lines you do? What are those yellow lines that you draw? It's just the fucking resistance, the support. Come on. Come on, you know? I'm here to make money, not fucking babysit children. I'm feeling great today. I'm already up $3,000 on the day. I'm chilling. I just get the same questions every day. And it's funny too, because sometimes it's like the same person asking the same question every day. I'm like, are you serious? Are you trolling me right now? All right, we're pulling back right here. Like I said, we got this kind of 54 area down there to maybe pull back into. I have not done the we'll do the Topstep giveaways later on today. Stay tuned. You never know when it might happen. Just randomly, I just free accounts. O'Dane Lifestyle TV. Have you traded your live account since you got it? Yes, I have traded it. I just gotta stop reading the chat. That's all I gotta do. Just don't read the chat ever. I don't know why it frustrates me so much, but it's just like is that even like a needed question? I don't know. Patrick, have you traded the live account yet? What are you doing? Tell us everything that you do every day. What time do you wake up? What time do you go to the bathroom at? What time do you go to bed at? Do you brush your teeth at a certain time of the day? When do you go to the toilet? But yes, I've traded the live account. We're currently up like 4,000 this week on it. Look at this pullback right now. Will we pull back into this 54 level here? Ugh. I don't understand the benefits of a live account. I mean, there is no benefit. The XFA is a much better option. But once you make too much money, Topstep will move you into a live account. So just how it goes. If you win too much, they're going to move you into the live account. And that's what happens when you're the #1 day trader on YouTube. Next time you're watching one of your favorite traders on YouTube, ask them a very simple question. Why are you not in the Topstep live account? Do I think the combines pay for the XFA? Well, I don't think that Topstep is in the business of just giving people free money. So yes, I do believe that. I mean, I think everyone understands the business model. You don't think it's better to just trade cash? I mean, sure. Trade cash. I don't know. Trade Pokemon. Trade fucking Bitcoin. Trade whatever you want. Patrick, why do you keep posting pictures of empty seats on Twitter? Just to troll people, basically. If you guys have not figured it out yet, I love to troll people. I am like the ultimate troll, so I like to troll the people. The parameters of the live account are the same exact as the XFA account. No more questions from DK ever. All right, we've still got 22 minutes. Look at this pullback right now. Pulling back here into that fair value gap. Coincidence? I think not. ICT, man. ICT. Where did he go? Come back. We need you. We need more fucking spaces to talk about most insane random ass shit for 6 hours. I don't know if you've never tuned into an ICT space, you're missing out on fucking comedy, my friends. You're just gonna best thing to do is grab some popcorn, fucking turn that space on, and just sit back and laugh your fucking ass off. The dude is literally psychotic. It's fucking crazy. Like, I'm like, dude's on another fucking level of fucking psycho. He talked for 6 hours on Twitter. For 6 hours. For fucking 6 hours about the most random ass shit. And then he ends it with the whole religious debate. Hey, anybody who's gonna fucking go on Twitter and debate religion, more power to you, because you're fucking nuts. You're like, I don't know what, that's like a can of worms that even I don't want to open. And I open a lot of can of worms, so. Am I really going to give him 100,000? No, he's going to give me 100,000. He's going to give me 250,000. The bet is now $250,000 that ICT will not win the Robbins Cup. Go ahead and put it on the board. $250,000. I will gladly pay him $250,000 if he wins, but I pretty much know that it's a 110% chance that he's not going to, and 110% chance is pretty fucking good in my favor. So it would, like, literally hell would have to freeze over. Like, Jesus would have to be reborn, hell would freeze over, pigs would fly, the fucking I would be able to swim underwater and breathe fucking water. Like, there's a better chance of all those things happening than ICT winning. Like, me growing fucking wings and taking flight, much better chance. Like, if I had to make a bet between Patrick Wieland growing wings and becoming an angel and flying around the planet versus ICT winning the Robbins Cup, I'm gonna bet that I could grow wings better than he could win the Robbins Cup. Just putting that out there. Just, you know, the odds are in my favor, baby. All right, we are pretty much still in this overnight range here on the NASDAQ. We had that move down yesterday. We closed down here at the lows. Right now, the dollar's sitting down there at the lows. The NASDAQ in the middle of this range here. And yeah, pretty clear to see kind of what we need to see happen. At open, if we're going to get above this 880 area, after that, you've got the 920s up there, 930 area to push up to. I'm leaning more towards if we break to the downside here today, we break through this 826 level, we've got this 700 level down there to think about. I mean, we've got a lot of support there at the 826s, obviously, but if we break through there, I think it's downtown we go. So we'll do the poll once we get 500 likes. If you want the poll, hit the like button. I see people in the chat saying poll, poll, poll. Well, if you want the poll, hit the fucking like button. It's that simple. I just do what the people want. And, well, if there's not 500 likes, I don't think the people want it. So, Tanja, will ICT pay Patrick if he loses? Fuck no, he's not going to pay me. He don't even got 250,000. The fucker lives in a, I don't even, no, he drives a Corvette. I got 250,000 cash. ICT ain't got 250,000 cash. Nope. But I'll pay it. I will pay it. I got no problem paying it. What about the 2024 Corvette? I mean, it's a Corvette. It's a fucking redneck car. Nothing wrong with that. Hey, you know, go out and buy a Corvette. Have fun. I'm all for it. You know, do some redneck shit. But let's be honest. Nobody is giving you respect. Maybe in fucking Georgia, you might have a Corvette and someone's like, oh, that's a sick car. But, I mean, a real car enthusiast is not going to be like, is that a 2024 Corvette? Oh, my gosh. That's a real nice car. Where'd you buy that at? Does it go fast? It got a Hemi? Supercharger? What you got in it? What do I drive? Honda Accord. I drive a Hyundai Kia. Hyundai Kia. I mean, guys, let's be honest. It's just, you're not going to get, you know, you're not getting respect in a Mustang, in a Corvette. It's just, it is what it is. It's just, it's cool. I'm not saying Corvettes, you know, hey, I'm all for it. Go out, buy a Corvette, do some cool shit, whatever you're into. I don't care. But let's be honest. Ain't nobody thinking that a Corvette is like some super fucking car. We're only at 400 likes. Who cares about the respect for the car you drive? I care about it. I care about it. And again, I'm not hating. I'm just saying, you know, Corvettes, they're fucking Corvettes. It's like, you know, like you're not flexing on anybody by like buying a Corvette. I'm all for it. Go out and buy a Corvette. Have fun. Live your life. I'm not saying you shouldn't do that. But don't think that like owning a Corvette makes you like seem like you're super successful in life. I have a Corvette. I'm fucking rich. I'm uber rich. I'm the best day trader in the world. I drive a Corvette. I'm like, no one's ever said that before. Patrick, can I tell you how to breathe underwater? No, I don't know how to do it. That's why I said there's better chance of ICT not winning Robin's Cup than me breathing underwater. Well, better chance of me breathing underwater, but I'll figure it out some way or other. Scuba tank. Scuba tank. What is that? What do I decompress? Yes, every day I decompress. I just go, ugh. Decompress. All right, let's do the poll. Fucking A. The chat right now is on another level. The chat is on another fucking level today. The poll is live if you want it. We going up or down at open? Yes, everyone who's asking if I feel better, I feel great. I'm back to my old self. We're good to go. Don't you worry. Tanya Trades made me some soup last night. I'm feeling good. Feeling real good. Real good, boys. Don't worry. Is the challenge if he wins the Robins or beats? It's pretty much if he wins. He's not going to win. Wish you'd be as healthy as before. I'm as healthy as before. I'm back. Dude, Tanya loves sea bass. That girl eats her some sea bass. If you ever wanted to buy fucking Tanya Trades a gift, send her some sea bass. Some fresh sea bass. Chilean. It's got to be Chilean, though. Only Chilean. If it's not Chilean, she don't want it. I've never even eaten fucking sea bass. Legit. I've never even eaten sea bass. Something about the word bass. I ain't about it. All right, so right now the poll is 50% up, 50% down. Great poll, guys. Really good. Good job, everybody. Good fucking job. Good fucking job, everybody. Good votes. Good votes. I like it. Everybody's very consistent with their voting here. All right, so the poll is done. I think pretty unanimous vote there. All right, so we pulled back into this 54 level we were kind of looking at earlier there on the 15-minute chart. Now let's see if we're going to respect that. If we respect this level and start to push up here at open, we'll see if we have the power to push today. We've got that 920, 930 level up there to think about. What are you looking at, Tanya Trades? I want to hear Tanya Trades' idea. Synopsis of the market here. The dollar pushing back up right now, so everything else pulling back. I'm still kind of thinking if we sell through the 25s here, there's a good theory, a good idea that we get down to that 700 level today. So dollar's kind of coming right back up right now, so the dollar kind of bottomed out down there and pushing straight back up. So we will see what happens here at open. The 4-hour fair value gap. Let's see that. Where are we at there? That's what I said, Tanya. You can't say the same thing as me. The fuck? Hey, everybody, I want it to be very clear. Later on, when Tanya takes full credit that she called out the 4-hour gap there, I want everyone to know that I called it out before she did, okay? So, I know you guys love to be like, oh, we love Tanya, you're the best. But I called it out first, okay? I called it out first. Oh, we got some FOMC members speaking today. Literally at 10 o'clock, 10:30, 10:35. Fucking A. A lot of these fuckers talking today, so we'll see what happens here. We will see what happens today.
Months I'm watching volume and
Right now, the 4-hour chart, you can see the range that we're in right now. So pretty much just waiting to see if we can get a breakout of this range. I think that's the easiest plan here. You just wait for that range to break out. If we sell through the lows there, well, then you're looking at this level down here. So that would be my my theory here. Like always, kind of looking for a trap here. We like to see a little trap maybe at open. Would be nice. Get a little trappy trap at open, and then we look for an opportunity. This low of day yesterday, the previous day low is down there at the 24s. So right now in the middle of this range here, the dollar is pushing back up, hitting a trend line right now. Hey, if you're spamming the chat, it's just, you know, you're hurting yourself. You're literally just hurting yourself. So what do you think about Michael Burry's huge short position? I think he closed it. Jonathan J. also getting banned. Lambo Raul ain't no scammer. Whatever you gotta tell yourself. If you think Lambo Raul is a profitable day trader, then I feel real bad for you. Because you're the most gullible motherfucker on this planet. You're the most gullible motherfucker on this planet. Is there a particular reason that I hate on ICT? Not really. I just like, you know, that ICT doesn't actually make money trading and people think that he's the best trader in the world. But hey, you know, believe what you want. But Patrick, how do you know he's not profitable? Because he trades in a demo account. But maybe he trades real money when he's not trading a demo account. But why? If you can make money trading, why would you trade a demo account and post videos of you trading a demo account, but then only trade a real? I'm confused. It's confusing. ICT students are making money. Yeah. I know. Everybody that trades ICT is a millionaire. Don't you guys know that? Fuck. All the Nigerians, all of ICT's followers are like 75% from Nigeria. And all those Nigerians are making fucking millions of dollars trading. It's amazing to see, actually. I think it's very, you know, admirable of ICT to support Nigeria like that. I mean, you know, it's fucking admirable. I think it's amazing to see that. The NASDAQ just selling down right here. Fuck. Was hoping for a little bit of a pop up here at open for a trap. We'll have to just be patient. It's pretty clear to see, I think, like I said, we got our plan right now. We got our range. We don't really need to guess what's going to happen here. We just got to wait to see either a break to the upside or a break to the downside here. My money is on Michael in a boxing match. Against who? Against me? You think Michael's going to beat me in a boxing match? Are you blind? Have you seen Michael? He's fat. Are you insane? Are you fucking insane? Are you insane? Come on. That's not even like a real question. Or like that's not even like a real statement. Like you're just trolling. What? Oh God. They were talking about on Topstep TV yesterday, talking about doing a challenge. You know, everyone's like, oh, everybody wants a challenge, Patrick. I said, I think the best challenge needs to be me. Trades by Matt. Patrick Wieland, trades by Matt. You know, the number one, the number two Topstep affiliates. I think it has to be done. Put it in, you know, put it on the board. Put it on the board, baby. Patrick Wieland, trades by Matt. Let's do it. Or I said we could also do Patrick Wieland versus all of Topstep TV. All four of the traders on Topstep TV versus me. That could be fun as well. But it'll never happen either way, so. All right. We still got, we got 3 minutes till the market opens. Right now, the NASDAQ moving down here to the 40s. Like I said, I'm watching this 820 level down there. If we can't hold the 820s, right now the dollar going straight back up, breaking out right now. Patrick Wieland versus the all of ICT Nigeria, all 75,000 Nigerians versus Patrick. I don't know what it is, but I'm serious. It's crazy because like literally ICT, like half of his followers are from Nigeria. I don't get it. I guess that's the cheapest place to buy followers at. I don't know, or something. Or maybe they just really love ICT in Nigeria. It's what a fuck. I have no Nigerian followers. If you look at my statistics, I don't see, I have like no, but for some reason, fucking Nigeria loves ICT, man. It's crazy. The Traders Evolve YouTuber did not make a $100,000 payout. You can only take 50% of the, he would have to make $200,000 in an account to get a $100,000 payout. Come on, guys. The kid is an idiot. He literally has no idea what he's talking about. He's like, I'm gonna take a $100,000 payout. Like, you can't. It's impossible. How are you gonna do that? You can't actually do that. And he's only had 3 profitable days in the account too. Like, relax. I don't think he read the rules. He said he's going for 30 days. Well, that's not going to happen. They're going to transfer him into a live account and he's going to blow up. Good luck trading 15 contracts in a live account the way that you trade it in XFA. It doesn't work the same. Trust me, I know. I actually know that. I have experience. Yeah, even if he has 2 Express accounts, it doesn't matter. You gotta it can only withdraw 50% either way. Here we go. Market opens. We're looking for some trappy action here at open for possibly shorts. So let's see how this plays out. Just straight down there for now, but God damn it. Fuck me. Look at that. Straight down right now. I want to be careful here, not trying to short right at the fucking bottom there. This looks like a trap to the downside for now. Look at this thing. Rips back up. Straight back up there. The Fed's talking as well today, so be careful. Oh. Straight back up there right now. God. They just trapped all those shorts down there at the bottom, I think. Trappy McTrapperson here both ways for now.
Right now, holding here at the open level again. Whew. Looking to see what happens to this low again. We got that fucking trapped both ways there. Both the bears and the bulls. Getting them trapped. But the ES and NASDAQ looking weak here. We should sell through this low here. That 25 area right now holding up there. That's the low from yesterday. And they just popped it right back up there again. $15-minute chart holding that low down there for now. And squeeze it right back up. Wow. The dollar's selling straight down there. See if they run this back up through the 50s now. You got that 75 level up there. Just chopping here right now. Dollar selling down. The NASDAQ can get above this 55 level. You got that 70, 80 level up there next, but still just trouble here. Too many people talking this morning, looks like. Looking at the VWAP, we're stuck below the VWAP. Yes, I still see the VWAP, guys. Relax. Dollar's down. The NASDAQ trying to push up here. Just chopping right here. Need to wait to see if we're going to sell down here or not. If they sell through that low down there.
Just holding up there for now. Very just trappy here right now. Will they run this up? That's the million-dollar question now. Dollar selling off here, fine, a little bit. We're back. We're right there at the VWAP right now on the NASDAQ. If the NASDAQ can get clear of this VWAP, the next pivot point's up there at the 920s. So will they push it? And again, just stuck there at the 50s again. Looking like... Whew. This 15-minute candle looking very indecisive right now. Still sitting up at the top. We bounced pretty strong off that bottom down there, but we just can't get above this 54, 55 level for now. Dollar pushing back up here again. Both the ES and the NASDAQ just stuck here right now. It's not really any movement here. See what happens here at the 40s, this little trend line there right now, putting in these higher lows off that low down there. Getting very just like holding that trend line right here. So that 15-minute candle looks like it wants to push up here. Watching to see if we get back above 50 strong. I'm going to take this long right here, see if we get this break to the upside, stop at the 40s. We're either going to break out here or we're going to chop it back down. So dollar's selling off. And I'll be targeting like 70s or higher. Oh. Looking for 70s or higher here. 65s up there next. Still in it. Looking for 70s or higher. Looking for 70s or higher here. There we go. 70 push. Can we get through the 70s there? Going to be a little greedy here. See if we can get through the 70s or run through that 70 level up there towards that 80 one more time. Probably should have taken profit there, but YOLO, baby. Fuck me. Comes right back down. No way. The dollar selling straight down here. The NASDAQ just got stuck there. The ES is still up. You gotta be kidding me. Wow. As long as we can hold this 50 level, I'm staying in it. The ES is pushing up. I think the NASDAQ's going to break through the 70s next. So I'm going to stay in it here. Kusi brother, you shorted. Why would you do that? Bad plan. We got to push through 65s like right here, right now. Come on. Feeling pretty good about this push up there to the 70s. If we can just get through this 65 level, we should take out the 70s there next. Looking for 75 to 80 level, depending on how strong this goes through 70s. Up there at the 66s again, go through the 70s right here. I'm gonna move my stop up to the low of this candle just to make sure we lock in some profit here, but get this all the way through the 70s next. I'm in for 12 contracts. I got filled 12 contracts there. Looking for a 70 break. River Rhythm of the night. 72, 73, 74, 75 push here. I want strength. I want to see strength, strength, strength. Go, go, do, no pullbacks. Go right there. 76s, 77s, 78s. And I'll take it off right there at 78s. Our original target was 70. We took 75, 78s. And there you have it. But Patrick, you never tell us what to do. You never tell us, Patrick. You never tell us. Was that clear enough? All right, was that clear enough? I'm just wondering, was I clear enough there? Did you guys get the info that you needed to make millions of dollars today? Beautiful move there, breaking out up there to the almost to the 80s now. So what happened to the guy that was short? He got blown the fuck up. You know, that guy got blowed up, boys. Sorry about you. Like I said, we were putting in those higher lows there on the smaller time frame. We were looking at the 15-minute chart. Look at the 15-minute candle. Like I said, the 15-minute candle wanting to get back above the 50s there. And look at that push up there to the 79s, now 80s. So that played out exactly like we said it would. Thank you very much. So now we see what happens if we can break out of this fucking range there. After that, you've got that 920, 930 level up there next if we're going to push today. So that would be the bull move, but they're taking profit at 78s. That played out nicely. I always like taking profit at the top, you know? It's always nice. Always nice to take profit at the top, baby. We'll see if this is going to break to the upside now. We got to get through that 80 level, and then you got this push up there, 920, 930s. So ready for your love. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We're doing it live every fucking day right here on the channel for free. Oh, I love this shit. I love it. I love it. I love it, baby. Sam, could you go over your entry in that trade? Yeah, like I said, if we break over 50s right here, we had, look, we had lower, higher low, higher low. We're looking for a break over this 50 level right there. There we go. I called it out live before the move happened, showed you the entire trade, so. But with our target up there to the 80s already laid out as well, so. I'm looking for this push up into the 900s next if we blow through 80s. So right now we're on the 1 minute chart. 3 minute chart here looking pretty bullish. I'd like to see a possible push up there, 926s or higher. Well, let's go through the 80s here. Squeezy McSqueezersons. A little bittersweet. Why are you so bitter, 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 bittersweet? We're killing it. We're living. If you guys want to learn more about Topstep, there's a link there in the chat. You can sign up today for $49 to sign up for a $50,000 combine. Topstep. Still pushing up here. Up there, they're through the 84s now. Oh, baby. Can we go through the 90s there next? Dollar looks like it wants to sell down here. I think we get through that 15,900 level, and then it's fucking up to our next target. You got that pivot point 20s, got that up there to the 36s, would be through the 900s there. So we'll see how she plays. Why don't you keep a runner? I'm up, guys. If you trade 12 contracts and then, you know, then you fucking tell me what to do. You do what I do, then I'll take advice from you. How about that? You tell me what to do and I'll take advice. You know what I mean? Like, you tell me what to do, then I'll take advice from you later. You know what I mean? You do that. How about that? I'll do what I do and then you do what you do, and then that's fine. That's what we'll do, okay? That's what we'll do. You do you, I'll do me, baby. Motherfucker, I'm asking you. Oh, you got me. Also, another reason I don't have to take... I'm still long in one of the express funded accounts. The fuck out of here. God. Time. Yeah, I'm still long in one of the express funded accounts. So you can see it on Topstep TV. It's scrolling across the top, my position. If you don't believe me, so... I'm looking for that 920s up there on this move, so you can see the trade worked out beautifully there. The best part is everyone like, Patrick, why don't you hold longer? The best part is, guys, you can make that own decision, right? You can make your own decision to see. You know, you can make your own decision to see if you want to hold longer or not. Looking like a bull flag up here at the 900s. We should push to the 900s out of the ES pushing up there through the 25s. The NASDAQ wants to go through the 900s here. Hey, I fucking lead you to the promised land. I say, guys, I think this is gonna go through the 50s. I'm looking for 70s. It goes to the fucking 90s. I mean, hey, why be mad at me? You know, Patrick, you took profit in the 70s. It went to the 90s. You're an asshole. Fucking Patrick. You know, I mean, hey, you can hold as long as you want. You can fucking do whatever you want. You know, do it. Just do what you want. It's all my fault. This fucking asshole. This fucking asshole, man. He took profit. Then I took profit. Damn it. I mean, we had our levels up there next, so
if you're tuning into the live stream at the right time here. Right now, we're stuck there at the 15,900s. I like to see us get through there sooner than later. The ES straight up here on the 15-minute chart. The NASDAQ, nice big old push up here. Guarva, I can see your chat. Yes, I can see it. Relax. God. Can you see my chat? Can you see it? I'm spamming it. I'm spamming the chat. Can you see it? Can you see me? Yes, I see you. Congratulations. You win. Patrick, can you see me? I'm here, Patrick. Patrick, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Patrick. Right now, just kind of pulling back here after that big push up. Totally fine. Totally normal price action here. It's okay. We can just be patient here and look for this push to the 900s. I'm still long, like I said, in one of the XFAs. I'm looking for kind of like 920, 930s. The ES trying to make a new high here right now. Tapping 900 level again there. Stuck there for now. Both the ES and the NASDAQ got stuck up there at the highs again, pulling back together. The dollar just kind of bounced off the double bottom there, but I would like to think this goes through here. If the ES breaks to the low there, we should go through there. Again pushing here. Looking to see if we can get through that 900 level. This might be one of those trades that I just kind of let it go, let it sit it and forget it. Sit it and forget it, unless we just go like right through here now, but kind of having trouble there at the 900s for now, so. Just trying to be patient, let it play out here. As long as we keep staying above the 14 EMA, I would stay in it here. So I don't really have any reason to get out until we basically break back below the 14 EMA there and get a candle to close below the 14 EMA on my chart right now. So that's what I'm waiting for. Again, testing that 14 EMA right there. The dollar's down there at the lows. The ES, the NASDAQ pushing up here to the highs. Trying to push up through there.
We could get a pullback here a little deeper than I want, but we'll see. Kind of just want to stay around this 80 level. We want to stay up there above that 80 level for now. I see a lot of people in the chat saying they're going to get short here. I don't know about that. We'll see. I pray for you. Still don't know why you'd want to get short here yet. Why not just wait for a better fucking, you know, a better reason to get short? I don't think it's a short yet, my friends, but whatever. Do you. Hey, you guys do you. Short what you want, you know? Totally fine with me. Someone's got to fucking cover at the highs so that we can go through there. We still haven't put it in a lower high yet, so it's like not really any reason to get short there yet. But what do I know? Clearly, I don't know anything. Tanja trades long, I'm long, and people are shorting in the chat. This is why I like people are like, but Patrick, help us. I'm like, I can't help you. It's impossible to help you people. I cannot fucking help you. Because you don't listen. Because you're fucking morons. I'm short. Perfect. Great fucking theory. Everybody that said they're short, I want you guys to go ahead and just turn off your computer for the day and give up. Because you did some stupid ass shit. I'm gonna short. Why? Why would you go short? Silly. Just fucking silly, guys. You're literally just silly right now. You're being silly. Like I do. I'm still long, by the way. I would not have shorted at the fucking support there, but whatever. Hey, like I said, I don't know anything about trading. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Both the ES and the NASDAQ trying to push up here. The dollar right now selling down through kind of a double bottom. So that was a reason, again, with the dollar sitting down there at the lows, kind of telling me that the NASDAQ wants to go higher there. So I'm not jinxing it. I'm just saying, you know, again, I might have jinxed it. Oh, fuck. We jinxed it. I jinxed it. Oh, God. Now it's going to crash down. Damn it. It popped up there. Oh, literally. Fuck. 912. 928. I'm okay. It's all good. I'll hold. I'll never take profit. The Nigerians did not win because they shorted there at the 85s and they got stopped out at the 900s. So. Like I do, nobody's gonna love you. Like I do, nobody's gonna hold you. Like I do. Oh my God, it's gonna pull all the way back down now. Oh no. Oh no. Someone's fucking talking or some shit. That's all I think what's going on right now. Somebody's talking. The dollar's still selling down here. I got no reason to think about getting out of this long on the NASDAQ yet, so fuck it. Leave you alone. It's kind of an annoying candle right there. Dollar still selling. I'm still believing. I'm still believing. I don't like this. I don't like this pullback right here, but told you it was going short. You told me. You guys all told me. What about the people that were shorting at the 80s just now and then it popped up there to the 905s? Did you hold through that pop? Did you? Did you hold through that whole pop? Trying to bounce here off this trend line right now. Let's see. Possibly pulling back here into the 60s again. Dollar getting a little bit of support down there for now. This 75 area was resistance earlier. This fucking wind right now is nuts. It's like a hurricane out there. Goddamn hurricanes. I want to see where this 15-minute candle closes at. If this 15-minute candle closes above the 80s, I'll stay in it long. So let's see. We got 2 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Can you withdraw money in your My Express account? Yes. If you have five profitable days. Dollar just dumped again. The ES and NASDAQ stuck here.
Thinking about up there. It extended itself past it. John, you did say it was entering value area.
We got a minute to close there. See if we can close above the 80s here on the 15-minute chart.
One bar closed inside of it, so that's a degree of acceptance. We need another 30-minute bar closing inside of it. That's acceptance.
There you go. There you go. So while I was trading, I had both my charts up, my tilt up, and my buddies up in my ear. information going into my eyes and into my ears, and then you have to be a trader after that. Now, I'm gonna have a losing day, so just because I'm up right now, don't. Well, yeah, whatever. But we're talking it out.
Your energy's different when you're up.
Somebody just said
I saw that.
Is it yours too?
100%.
Yeah, that's what we.
About to close on the 15-minute candle. We close above the 80s here. 10 seconds.
But when you're ripping, when you're carving up the market, I don't know if there's anything, but you talked about it one time, Andre. What's better, hitting a walk-off home run, buzzer beater?
79 close. Pretty fucking close, but not the best close there. I think we might test this 63, 64 level.
But you shouldn't have to. You told me that too, Andre. You shouldn't have to pay high tuition or to the markets, and it shouldn't. Yeah, we all have bad days. Just
I blame Tanya. Tanya over there I try to get those fucking 100-point movers like Tanya does. I want those 100-point movers. Fucking Tanya.
now it's starting to get a little short now. You guys, you know, 60%.
She did it to me. She
So
peer pressure.
get all the way down to the longs break even. The longs now their average price is 78, but there's only 40% of them buys, 40% of the open position.
I always blame her. Every issue that I have, it's definitely Tanya's fault.
And this is just me sharing an indicator. You guys share yours. We like to read about yours and know why.
The more indicators we get lined up, the better we can get our price actions and get them to trade.
It's got to get back above this 86 level here, and then I think we can start working our way up through the 90s there again. But right now,
Kind of have it on my chart, but I don't
probably pulling back here into the 60s.
dissect it. That's what I have my trading buddy for. So always get a trading buddy. You can find one.
Really don't want it below 70, but
For yesterday's best, Jack, you got those set up? We can do yesterday's best?
Certainly can.
Michael, you got a low volume node in the NASDAQ at 856.
Okay, I got you down here.
Damn. Yeah, it's something out now.
Really quick, that was the 53s and the 56s. No, 63s. Go ahead, Jack. Sorry, it's the wrong price.
Well, no problem. You're going to want to take a look at this, Michael. We're showing the yesterday's best finals with the best day ever at Topstep, I believe. My goodness.
My
This,
goodness, yeah.
this is Danny's trade. Danny trades. He's a pretty big influencer. He shares the screen. Crushed it.
Yeah, really. 73,366. We got.
ugh, not good. Not good.
I was going to say, man.
16,623. Chung. 12,822. Martin. 11,494. And 8,840. Those are our express funded account yesterday's best. Good job. Good job. Good job.
That is incredible trading.
Now it's going to pull on back down here. Perfect. Stop at break even. I'll just fucking take it break even. I'm already up on the day in that account, so this is one of those trades I was going to let run. Probably should have got out there at the fucking 80s like I said I would, but I'm a dum-dum. Bouncing off the VWAP here again. NASDAQ back to the VWAP here. Does the VWAP save us? Keep us alive here. VWAP bouncies. So we pulled back there into the 60s now. That 15-minute chart kind of pulling back into this 60 level here. Trouble, trouble, trouble.
And stopped out there now. Gotta love it. It's all good. Fuck me. Up 50 points on that and got stopped out. Welcome to the party, baby. Now it's gonna stop me out there at the 48 at the 50s and push back up. Holding up there at the 50s again. This would be comical fucking if it reverses. Are you kidding me? How's that possible? How the fuck is that possible? Oh, that's hilarious. It gets down to 46s and then pops right back up. Yeah, buddy. Pulled right back into those 50 area where we broke out earlier and now pushing back up 70s again. Top secret leverage. You took my money. Get the fuck out of here. You didn't take my money. I didn't lose it, you fuck. It took your money. God, I fucking hate this chat. I can't wait to stop live streaming forever. It's gonna be great. It's coming. That day is coming. I think next year I'm not gonna live stream anymore, to be honest. It's gonna trade, I'm gonna make money, and just tell everyone else suck it. The chat literally is the worst thing ever. It's literally the fucking worst thing, I swear. It's like no matter what I do, I just can never get fucking everybody. Patrick. It's just not needed. It's just literally not fucking needed. You won't make money without us. Yeah, correct. Thanks, Anthony. How would I ever make money without the chat telling me what to do? How will I ever make money without the chat telling me exactly when to buy and sell? One day I'm gonna be there. I'll get to that level. One day. Oh. How? How is this back? This is like the most it's not even frustrating that I got stopped out. It's just fucking frustrating the way that I got stopped out. Like how? I just don't get it. My stop was at break even. I was long from the 50s and it fucking moved right down there to 46. It stopped me out and then ripped right back up and just like, oh my God. It's a joke. It's a joke. Oh. It is what it is. Fuck. You gotta be kidding me. Look at, like, just look at this 5-minute candle. Like, why? Why? How is that? How is that? I mean, I'm not losing. I didn't lose any money, guys. Relax. It's the fact that I was up on that trade 50 points. It came back, stopped me out. I'm fine. We're like, everybody in the chat, like, I'm not fucking losing money. It's just the fact that, like, this is, you know, the shit that happens. It's just like, how? How does that happen? God. Just don't even get it. Like, look at that 15-minute candle. Like, what? That what? Dollar bouncing again here. NASDAQ, the ES pulling back, trying to push up. It just is what it is. Just one of those days. Began. I don't even real you in real life, and love you in real life. Adrian Crentiro, why do you hate on Danny Trades? It's good, bro. Hey, believe what you want. I really don't give a fuck. Like, my new goal in life is just like, if someone's a fucking moron, I'm gonna let them be a moron. You know, I'm like, hey, if you want to believe in fucking Santa Claus, believe in fucking Santa Claus, you know? Totally fine with me. I don't give a fuck. Literally. You know, if you're gonna say Danny Trade's the best trader, that's totally fine with me. I'm like, hey, whatever makes you happy, you know? Whatever fucking makes you happy. Whatever you need to believe, I'm totally fine with. Just believe it, you know? Hey, it's all good. Yeah, I honestly don't even care. My new theory on it all is like, I'm just not even gonna care anymore. Whatever people in the chat want to believe, I'm like, you go for it, bro. You believe it. You do you, all right? I'm just gonna do me. That's what I'm gonna do from now on. Hey, whatever you want to believe, fucking believe it. Because I'm fucking, it's just, why do I even try to fucking, it's like, totally fine. Have a good day. Believe it. Oh. How? Just like how? Fuck me. This fucking I fucking hate trading sometimes. I just hate it. Like, we push back up to the 95s now. Just don't even get it. I just don't even get it. I don't even get it. How's that even possible? I don't even get it sometimes. It's just comedy. That's all it is. Like, it's just fucking, you gotta just laugh about it. You're like, it's fucking hilarious. This shit's hilarious at this point. People think that Comedy Central is the fucking spot to find comedy. Just watch the market. It's fucking comedy. If this thing goes the like fucking through the 900s next, I'm gonna be like, the comedy. Ugh. And chopping back down here, so. You just gotta laugh about it sometimes. It's just funny to watch. I'm feeling great after yesterday. Michael, thanks for the support. Feeling great, but also just laughing at how funny this shit is. Sean McDonald, $99. Chipotle today. I'm gonna get triple the steak. Triple steak, baby. Do I enjoy this, Patrick? I like when we're, you know, the market's doing what we want it to do, but right now it's just total fuckery. But I mean, you know, it is what it is. Welcome to the fuckery. And right back down again. The Nasdaq stuck up the highs, so fuck it. I think I might just walk away now, take my profit, and go somewhere else. The party's over. Time to leave the party. And the NASDAQ back down there into the 60s again. I think someone's talking at 10:30. Some FOMC, something bullshit. Dollar popping back up, so it's just chop city here. So I think it's time to walk away. Tomorrow's Fresh Cash Friday. We'll come back tomorrow. We will try to hit it hard again tomorrow. For now, looks like NASDAQ pulling back here. You've got that 20 level down there. Look at this thing fucking dumping now. Definitely not going to chase it now, that's for sure. So I'm going to walk away. Fuck it. 10:30. I'm done. And I'll be back tomorrow for Fresh Cash Friday. Fresh Cash Friday. Fresh Cash Friday tomorrow morning. So I'll see you guys then. Peace to the Middle East. And yeah. How'd I do today? We're up about $7,000 on the day. We should have been up a lot more. At one point I was up like over 10,000, but it is what it is. So got a little greedy. We got a little greedy today. Got a little greedy today. Big thank you to Sean McDonald for the $99 there as well. Congratulations. Doing it, baby. So we'll see what happens tomorrow morning. Hopefully get some better action tomorrow. And there it is. So I'll talk to you guys later on. Peace to the Middle East and all that fun stuff. Peace. Oh yeah, we'll do the giveaway tomorrow morning for Fresh Cash Friday. So tune in tomorrow morning, Fresh Cash Friday, giveaway time. We'll do it on the Friday. I'm over it. I'm fucking over this shit. I'm pissed off. Well, not pissed off, but I'm just over it. We'll do the giveaway tomorrow morning, so tune in. All right. And we also don't have 1,000 likes either, so I can't even do the giveaway. But you know, it's